wow, that is so much easier than mine, just for that. Plus you don't have to get on the ground to do it.
That helps.
Looks like it doesn't have any chance of damaging the rim either. At least that part of it.
Yeah.
Might throw this on YouTube. I'm sure there's a million videos of it already, but that's okay.
This one you got to get a special one. The normal head won't work on these rims because of this.
The thick lip, yeah.
Yeah. So you got to get the other duckbill.
To keep it from popping up.
Yeah, to keep it from spinning.
Yeah. But the strap is for...
The same thing.
Okay.
This is really for regular rims.
Sure. Yeah, for those who are nervous about damaging the spoke,
Yeah.
just use the strap. But I kind of like that idea, unless you're putting a lot of pressure on it.
You can.
Okay. I see the idea to get it above that notch.
Yeah.
Interesting. Yeah, you got to get the backside in the hollow too. Front wheels are harder, I'm sure, because they're so narrow.
Come on. Nope, wasn't in there.
There, that's what I would...
I just pop over that.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. That's a little harder.
And the tire is cold. Come on, come over there.
Yep. Almost. It's almost like you need a double bend on your tire iron. Ah, yeah. Yeah. One thing I'm good for is being a paperweight.
I think I'm getting down in the drop center enough.
Right. I wonder if a wedge stuck on the other side would help.
Nah, usually I don't have to use it.
Oh, okay. Not quite got it over the edge there. That cold tire's not helping.
Yeah, definitely not helping. So it's usually not this much of a fight.
Yeah, when I use my Nomar, I don't even bother trying to use the deep demounting tool.
Yeah.
I just use tire irons.
I don't think I got it off the bead good on this side either.
Oh yeah, I see. There you go.
There it's off.
Probably ought to lube it before you. I don't know how important it is on this one.
What's that?
The lube.
Yeah, I'll throw some more on it, but
Yeah, because you didn't turn it over, so the lube's on the other side.
yeah.
Is that the lube that comes with a kit?
Yeah, that's what they sell. Or it comes with it, yeah. That feels better.
Just the fact that that's loose.
Yeah.
I think you're almost there. Yep, now you're on. I like the ratchet. That makes a lot of difference. Oh, wow. Now you just do the same thing for the, yeah. Okay, cool. Careful, you're right over top of your sensor.
What's that?
I said you were right over top of your sensor there.
Yeah, I know. That's the way it was. That's the way it is. That should be balanced right there.
Oh, you're marking it. I see the mark there for your sensor.
Yeah,
Good idea.
I got a mark on this side of the tire.
You got one on this side too.
Oh, do I?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just keep it out of the way. Go through the spokes.
Yeah, you're supposed to do that, I think.
Yeah,
They
sure.
say.
Now the opposite.
Huh?
That's just now the opposite way to get it started. It's a little easier.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
That's it.
That's awesome.